Welcome to Farm Buddy, uncovering opportunities in pharmacy career. Let's learn something new today.
Hey pharmacist, welcome to today's deep dive into the world of injectables and the exciting career opportunities in pharma. If you've ever wondered how those tiny vials of miracles are made, you're in the right place. First up, let's talk about the manufacturing process of injectables. It all begins in what's called a clean room. Picture a space that's as sterile as an operating room, with state-of-the-art equipment and strict protocols. Raw materials are carefully selected and then compounded in a controlled environment. These compounds are usually in liquid form, ensuring they can be injected easily. Next, it's filtration time. This step removes any impurities, guaranteeing that the injectable is safe for use. After filtration, the solution is transferred to pre-sterilized containers. Automation plays a huge role here, minimizing human contact to avoid contamination. Finally, the filled vials are sealed, labeled, and packed for distribution. Now, let's pivot to the career opportunities in this booming sector. The pharmaceutical industry is vast, and the need for skilled professionals is ever growing. Positions range from research scientists and quality control analysts to regulatory affairs, specialists, and production managers. Research scientists are often the backbone, focusing on developing new drugs and improving existing ones. Quality control analysts ensure that every batch meets stringent guidelines, maintaining safety and efficacy. Regulatory affairs specialists navigate the maze of laws and regulations, ensuring that products gain approval from bodies like the FDA, and production managers oversee the entire manufacturing process, making sure everything runs smoothly. Now let's talk numbers. Salaries in pharma can be quite lucrative. Entry-level positions, such as a quality control analyst, can start around $55,000 annually. With experience and specialization, roles like a regulatory affairs manager can command upwards of $120,000. And if you're in a senior position like a production manager, you could be looking at $150,000 or more. So, who's hiring? Big names like Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, and Merck are always on the lookout for top talent. But don't forget about emerging biotech firms. They often offer dynamic roles and faster career progression. If you're thinking about a career in pharma, now is a fantastic time to dive in. Whether you're just starting out or looking to specialize, the opportunities are vast and rewarding. All right, that wraps up our inside look at making injectables and the exciting careers in pharma. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of science.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. You have query on career? Talk to Farm Buddy now.